Do you not realize that your efforts are costing lives? The killing can stop. All you have to do is surrender. Cease your aggression, and Pagan Min will usher in a new era of peace. May his light shine upon us all. For your safety and security of Iraq. Be sure to give them the right of way at all times and avoid any sudden movements when approaching them. Any orders received from Royal Army patrols must be obeyed to our safety. Failure to comply may lead to severe consequences. May Pagan's light shine upon you all.
Ajay Gale, the man with the golden name.
Who is this?
Ajay, I'm hurt. You don't recognize my voice?
Should I?
The voice of Radio Freak Iraq? This is Rabbi Ray Rana. You don't recognize that?
Right. Robbie Ray Rana.
Just call me Rabbi Ray, man.
Okay, Robbie Ray. What's this about?
Look, we need a face-to-face. I'm sending you my coordinates. Come find me, man.
May Pagan's light shine upon you all.